The temperatures keep on dropping as winter sneaks upon us. Also, days are getting shorter now, which means that Christmas is near. I always loved Christmas, as it is a very cozy holiday. But now, as an adult, I can easily get overwhelmed by stress in the month leading up to holidays. I have experienced before that the busyness makes me forget to enjoy the time leading up to Christmas and make me feel like everything has been passing too quickly. So, these last few years, I decided to prepare for the holidays more slowly and mindful. Doing less activities, but taking my time to enjoy little moments of preparation. Choosing quality over quantity. Something that I truly enjoy during the period leading up to Christmas is decorating our home. And even more than actually hanging up all the decorations, I love making them. So anytime I had a few free hours, I took the time to create something. For me, there is nothing as relaxing as giving my hands something to do and see beauty unfold in front of my eyes. I started by using some materials that I found around me, and also decided to bring little elements of nature inside our home. most of our tree ornaments are made by me or come from an accumulation of little thrift shop adventures. Me and my husband decided that if we come across a more expensive but special ornament, we can add one to our collection every year. Like this, our tree also carries little stories of all the places where we have been or phases we have had in our life. Most of the decorations I hang up by myself, but we are making it a tradition to hang up the outdoor Christmas lights together. It are little moments like this that make us spend extra time with each other outside of our daily routines. I started making most of the gifts by myself. I really enjoy creating things and customize things to the loved ones that I'm giving it to. When I think of buying presents for everyone, I easily get overwhelmed by all the possibilities and choices. And somehow, by making things myself, I have found peace in all the chaos. Apart from the chaos to get everything ready in time when I miscalculated the time that I needed to make the things. But I like it this way. December also makes my fingers tickle to start cooking some extra treats. After all, it is very cozy to snuggle up under a blanket in a decorated living room with yummy bites to nibble on. These are candied orange peels, dipped in dark chocolate. I found out that my mother-in-law loves them, so I made some for her. Store-bought candied orange peel is not comparable to the rich flavor of the homemade ones. Some friends of my husband were coming over for a role-play evening, so I couldn't resist making them some snacks. These snacks were eaten much faster than I made them. I hope that all of you are enjoying these holidays. And I wonder what your favorite traditions are. Merry Christmas, and I wish you a beautiful New Year.